Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I think one of the features that is interesting that could be useful as we sometimes want to have several apps together, and that one app might be one that we always want to have visible, as we call this feature always on top. In Windows 12, some of the viewers have asked about an always on top option that we could choose which apps we want to always stay on top. And an example of that is the Task Manager. Task Manager in Windows 11 has the ability to stay on top. You can click the Task Manager, you can go into your settings, and you have an always on top option available, which means whatever you do, your app is always staying there in the back, but your favorite on top app is always staying there. And in the case of the Task Manager, it's useful, because it actually is capable, of showing you information about, for example, the performance of your PC. And you might wonder what is actually bogging down the PC, or what's using all that, power. So having it always on top will definitely give you the ability to see what's actually getting all of that power. Now, Windows 12, and so for Windows in general, actually, we don't have the always on top option. So what happens is that you open an app. So if I remove this now, if I open an app, the app will always open over it. So, you know what? It's not a bad idea, because I don't know how many times I do things with several apps. And yes, you can, of course, use the options to scale them down and use the different options to put the windows, attached next to each other and so on. I would still, rather than use Snap to have options or apps one next to each other, I would still like to have the ability to say, oh, this app, just say it's, put it on top and leave it there. So whatever I open next, well, it's always going to be there. I think it's a cool feature that should be. It's one of those things like, we talked about customizable context menus. I think a lot of people would like that. Well, how about customizable apps that can be always on top if we want to? I think that would be a neat feature for Windows 12. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.